Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. You are watching That Yellow Indian and this is a continuation from my trip to Meghalaya. So keep watching. Right, we made a quick stop here at Hosana Cafe. It is at Moflang. And we ordered some Maggi and coffee and we get the things are available. You can get some ice creams. Yup. देखो ना guys. All right. I made a pit stop here. There's a viewpoint. I can see crystal clear, emerald green river. So I just made a pit stop. Let me show you. Well, welcome back again. We have reached to our spot. You'll see the signboard on the way. Google Map में मिल जाता है. It's a hot spring. So we have to go down this way, and there's a ticket counter. They're charging 50 rupees per person, and अगर parking charges parking करना है तो वो 20 rupees charge होगा. And that's me. Let's go hit the hot spring. So finally we are on our way to the hot spring. The way to the hot spring, it's very nice. They have made a pavement. I see people coming. All right, I think we're almost there. Reach the hot spring, the spot. Let's say. Whew. All right, we're supposed to go down. I thought it was nearby, but we have to go further. Look at this. Are we supposed to take this or this? I think that one is the hot spring. Supposed to go down, I guess. I guess so. Let's see. Yeah. I think मैं सही जगह जा रही हूँ. There is a stream. पत्थर. Oh, I see people. I think there are a lot of people. My God, I don't want people. I want just to be me, all by myself. I'll relax here. Hot and cold swimming pool, local bathroom, and toilet is this way. Local bathroom, hot and cold. It's here. Oh, upper. It's showing upper. Do I have to go upper? Where am I supposed to go? Okay, so this is the hot spring. Ooh. All right, I have got this hot spring, the swimming pool, all to myself. Yay. Let's change clothes and then let's get inside. Right, we are supposed to take a shower first here. Washroom में हमें नहाना पड़ता है पहले, and then we can only get after inside hot spring after that. तो मैंने shower ले लिया है. In case you're coming here, get your things down here and get a shower first, and then only you're allowed to go inside the hot spring. So let's go. Oh yeah, it's okay. I think it is the best thing ever. water is so warm and so relaxing. Wow, I love this. Whew, whew. And then we have this all to ourselves. There is no public, no rush, nothing. Wow, I feel like I'm in Japan. So relaxing. I'm having a sauna time. And then we have the music going on at the background. Look at my feet. This water is crystal clear. Ooh, and it's so warm and so relaxing.
Monster.
So I'm finally done with my hot bath and finally going back. I'll probably go to Shillong and then have something and then back to Guwahati and catch my train tomorrow. So I had really great time. This is very memorable. One of the best places I've visited. I really needed this hot spring treatment. It was very relaxing and it felt good. I'm happy. Bye.